Hello everybody, want to show you real quick our new website. Two things to note. One, it's very easy now to see all of our vendors and the products that they offer. Here's a quick example from LaRosse Conveyor. So here you can see general information, key contacts, and general product line. Very easy to see, mobile friendly, so that should be an improvement for you. The second thing I want to show you is our request a quote form. The goal with this form is to guide you through a list of questions that we normally have to ask you anyway, but by seeing these up front, you can ensure that if it's completed, you're going to get your quote a lot faster. It'll limit the back and forth and everyone chasing each other down in emails, so hopefully this works out for you. So here at the top, it just give it a name. It helps us identify either the machine, the cell, the project, the part number, the mold number, however you want to do this, because this submission will get saved to your account, and I'll show you that later. So it's really good for reference. So let's say we want to quote a dryer. So we can just type in dryer, but as you can see, there's a long list, and we've created a form for almost all of these. So it makes it really helpful for you in case you don't know what you need to get. So here for the dryer, first we need to understand what kind of material we're drying. What's the throughput rate? Let's say it's 250 pounds per hour. We don't know the bulk density right now, but that's okay. That's more needed if you're going to use a loader. We have a high bulk density. We need to be concerned with hopper size. So here, are we running more than one material? Maybe we are. So it gives you the option there. So it's really nice and clean. Let's say our dry time is 4 hours at 248 F. That helps us understand what kind of heater we're going to use. Do you need a loader for the dryer hopper, so you don't have to hand load it? If it's a floor mounted dryer, are you going to need a loader for the machine throw? So we've just tried to think ahead on everything, again, to limit the back and forth so we can send you a quote that fits your specifications all in one shot. So here at the end, you can see a preview of everything that you've noted. Once that is submitted, we'll get all the information. And again, the cool part about this is we've all worked on projects where you've spent the time to get the technical information all in one spot so that you can get your quote, because I'm sure we're not the only rep agency asking you for all this information. Now, what's going to be helpful for this in the future, let's say in 6 months from now, you need another temperature controller or you need another robot for a similar machine, and we're bugging you for this information. If you go into your account under My RFQ, you can see all the RFQs that you've submitted. You can search by category. And this is really helpful for, let's say, a purchasing agent who's maybe not on the shop floor and doesn't have all that information together. If you just click one of these, it's all saved. It's a quick reference. You can send it to us, and everyone's off to the races. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please contact our support department at any time. You can click this button down at the bottom, fill out a quick form, and we'll get right with you, or give me a call. Thanks.